Today we're gonna do a squishy tour. So we're gonna talk about, I guess, all of these.
Yeah, and we're gonna rate them.
We're gonna rate them. I don't love all of them, but
I do. Most of them, not all of them actually.
let's begin. All right, first up is going to be
The Sugar Bear.
the Sugar Bear.
3 of these, but I'm only using 1 of them right now.
We got the Sugar Bears from Dollar General, and they were like $2.
Yeah.
And honestly, I feel the Sugar Bears are one of my favorites.
Yeah, there are a lot of air bubbles in it, like when I bought it, but it's fine because it's really good.
Yeah, but I enjoy it.
What do you rate it?
It's squishy enough. I wish it were a little bigger. So I'm gonna rate this a 9 out of 10.
Okay.
But love. Next up is going to be
You pick this time.
dumpling.
Which one?
This one. So this is this from the pro shop?
No, you gave me
This is a real dumpling?
No, this is the shaving cream dumpling.
Oh.
So it's just like the OG dumpling. It's like the shaving cream one. And I really like it, but I don't know actually. I think it's too easy to squish. But then like at the same time, I like when it's easy to squish. So I think I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because I like it. But then sometimes when I'm like not in the mood for it.
Yeah.
But I like it. So
Let me
give it a 9 out of 10.
let me give that one a squeeze. It's pretty good. I feel like it is not too easy to squeeze. Like it's a little bit like
Yeah.
firm.
I'm gonna do the mini funky pups.
Mini funk. I've never touched these.
You haven't?
No.
I got them yesterday. I used to have a lot, but like in like
Oh, they're really
2020.
good.
Yeah, they're really cute. I just wish they were a little bigger,
Yeah.
but there are like normal sized ones. These are just the minis, but I actually really like them, so
They're really cute.
I'm gonna give them a 10 out of 10 because
10 out
I
of
really
10.
like them.
But I guess you could just like squish,
Squish them all together.
Yeah.
It's more fun to squish them all together.
Okay, next up is going to be one of my favorites, which is the gumdrop.
It's frozen right now.
It's frozen. That's what I like about it though.
I love how hard it is.
But it's like different depending on like how long you've squished it versus it being like in the car when it's cold. It's just, it's very nice.
I love this one like a lot, so I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. It's one of my favorites.
And every adult that squishes the gumdrop loves the gumdrop.
Yeah, like it's Daddy's favorite. It's his friend's favorite.
I love the gumdrop. I miss my gumdrop.
She lost my gumdrop. I gave a gumdrop to her because I have the 3-pack, and she lost it.
I bought it.
I don't care.
I bought the gumdrop.
Okay, this time I'm gonna do. This time I'm gonna do some of my least favorite eaters.
Okay.
The gummy bears. I hate these ones. I hate them so much. I'm giving them a 2 out of 10.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Can I have them?
No.
What?
Squish them.
I kind of like them.
I hate them.
It's hard to squish, but
But it shouldn't be hard to squish because it's gel.
I like it. I like doing this with it.
I know, I do that a lot.
Like
That's why I gave it a 2 out of 10.
Focus face. I would give them like a 5.
Okay.
This one's another one of my favorite, which is the Meadow cake.
That was my favorite. I'm rating it. It's a 10. It's a 20 out of 10. I love it so much.
20 out of 10.
I love it so much. It's my favorite, period.
I love it too. It's just like the perfect amount of, it's very hairy. It's the perfect amount of squish. The texture is great. It almost like makes you want to
Like, I want to eat it. It's so good.
all right.
I picked this time because you picked the cake.
Meadow picks this time. Me.
Okay, this time I'm going to pick my sand squishies.
Oh, I do not like the sand squishies at all.
I like them.
I, in fact, hate them. Oh, it's like...
Here's my carrot. It has more sand in it, and it has more sand in it than this one because this one kind of like broke. So I had to super glue it, but
You super glued it and it worked?
yeah, look.
Oh.
But I don't know. I like them, but I don't like them enough for a 10. So I'm gonna give them a
1.
6.5.
Next up, I think I'm gonna choose. Oh, I don't even know. Wait, let me touch it for a second. What is it?
It's my Mellow Mellow.
I really
You're
like
supposed to squish it. Like,
Is it broken?
no.
It's just like cute, cutesy.
It changes light in the UV. Like,
Colors?
it changes colors in the sun.
Really?
Yeah, but this is my Mellow Mellow. It's my second favorite. 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
Okay, I'm gonna pick the ring pop. I don't know. I like it. It's a gel. It looks like water, but it's not water.
It does look like water.
Look.
Let me see.
It's just gel.
I feel like I'd like it if it was bigger.
Yeah,
It's like a
I
little
don't.
firm.
Okay, so I like it. Like if it was like, if it didn't have this part. I wish this part was at
Oh,
least
yeah.
a little squishy because it's like getting into my way.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna rate it a 7. What do you
7?
rate it?
Like a 3. Like it gives me nothing. Next up, we're gonna do, is this the nice cube?
Yeah.
This is the nice cube. I'm a huge fan of the nice cube.
Well, that's a dupe.
It's a dupe.
Yeah.
Oh.
But I have 3 nice cubes, but I only have 2 with me today.
Okay, we'll bring the other ones out.
Okay,
Maybe
so-
we can compare them. So this is the dupe,
Yeah, that's
and
the
then
dupe.
give me the right, like the real
This
one.
is like a regular one, and this is a glitter and glow one. These
these
two are
are-
real. These two are real.
This one's like harder than these.
I like these ones better.
I like this one too, though. I
That
feel
one's like, I like it, but it's like thicker. And I don't like
Yeah.
how thick it is. I like when it's like thinner.
but it doesn't feel like that. Let me see. Yeah, I like this one too.
like,
I don't know.
this feels more of a gumdrop. I like the gumdrops.
Yeah,
It's just-
this one feels like.
these are like the OG, not actually the OG. The OG is the groovy glob. So this one's actually hers.
Oh, yeah, where'd you get that?
You said I could have
I
it.
keep it in the car.
It feels
like
like a groovy glob.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
I like the shape of it, and my favorite part of it is its
yeah.
feet.
No.
Yes. See?
I rate it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Yeah, I would say 9. I agree with that. I'm gonna pick my like 10 out of 10 favorite one.
I know which one it is.
Fuzz ball.
That one's hers, this one's mine. I took the air out of it because
No.
it doesn't feel like a fuzz ball. See, there's air in hers.
Yeah,
and
this
it's
one's
a
like-
groovy glob.
I feel like it's leaking. It's leaking.
Where? Nowhere.
It feels like it's leaking.
It's not.
I just got something on me. Look.
Ew.
Size
12
of
out
it,
of 10.
The size of it, the texture, the fur on it, like the, you know, the fuzz.
Fuzz.
I'm into it. Meadow's turn to pick
The dumpling.
the dumpling.
Face is already rubbing off and I got it yesterday.
You got it yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh. I kind of like the noise of it.
I don't like the noise of it.
I like the noise of it. You ever see those facials on TikTok where they're like, ding, and it's like you've never seen that? They do like the water sounds on your face.
Okay, I rate it a 9 out of 10. I just don't like the gel texture. I don't know. Like,
Yeah.
but I do like it. It's just like, I don't know.
We're gonna do,
Oh,
what's this?
Jet Puff Marshmallow.
Jet Puff Marshmallow. It kind of reminds me of
It's scented.
this one.
Smell it.
It doesn't smell like anything.
Oh, this one's also scented.
That one smells like something.
You can't smell it. It smells scented.
Oh, yeah, now I do.
The face was blue, but it rubbed off. I don't know. I like it, but it's way too hard to.
It's broken, obviously. No, no, no!
Okay,
It's broken, so.
I rate it a 7 out of 10. Okay,
I'm grooming the fuzz ball.
I'm gonna do the sploot splat.
Oh, I do like the sploot splat.
I rate it a 10 out of 10. I love it. Because look, you can like pull these things and you can squish them too.
That's what I like about it too. It has layers. Banana! This one's a favorite at the cheer gym too.
I took the air out of it.
It's pretty good.
This is the only air in it.
This is the one when I'm coaching, I swing around and I threaten kids with it. Girl.
I love it. It's a 20/100 out of 10.
20/100. Heard it here first.
So here's the thing. The butter's really dirty right now.
It's a little bit dirty. Yeah, it's very much dirty.
It's okay, because it was all over the cheer gym floor.
Tell them what happened to our first butter.
Okay, so I originally had a butter, and on the way back from NCA, the cheer comp, we were at the airport, and it was fine on the way there, just to let you know. The security guy, or TSA, said that it's too big to have in my book bag.
So we had to throw it out, and then I told Meadow I would get her a new one, so I got it on Poshmark.
It's my favorite. No, I'm kidding. I love it so much. 1 million out of 10.
Let's go with these guys. I love these guys. They're like the dogs.
There was another one, but it popped in the car.
It's like you could squish them together or separate.
It's the Meadow Christmas pack.
Meadow Christmas pack. Yeah, these are cute.
The groovy globs.
I like them. 8 out of 10.
Me too. Okay.
This one is...
I don't know.
I don't really know. We don't have a name
It's just
for
like
this.
a star.
It's a star.
I got it from the arcade. It's really good.
Touch it. Oh. Wait.
Do you like
This
it?
one's low-key really good. Look, because when you do this, it like slows.
Yeah, it's like,
I don't like when it.
kind of.
Yeah, I don't like when it like comes back to life like too quick.
Like this.
Yeah, like this one's better than that one, I feel.
Okay, so you think 10?
Yeah,
Really?
I like it.
So, like I said earlier, the cake is my favorite, but this goes with the cake because it's like the same thing.
The nice cream cone.
We love this one.
We love that one.
Love it so much.
It's really squishy up here, but then up here the cone's a little more firm, so it's like really nice.
Yeah.
And that is all of our squishies. Mostly Meadows, but this one's mine and that one's mine.
So like it too.
And we hope you really enjoyed spending time with us going through our squishy tour. I want to put it out there. There's some I really want that I can't find. I really want the jellyfish,
I also want the popsicle.
the popsicle, yes, and I really want the mushroom.
I don't want the mushroom.
Anyway, make sure that you guys comment down below which one of these is your favorite. We have our favorites, but let us know which one is your favorite. And make sure you subscribe to our channel because we're really, really cool and we'd love to have you as a subscriber. Period. The end. Bye.